guys, welcome to my second vlog. I'm currently in Bali, as you can see. We took a morning flight here from Singapore, and I'm gonna show you my Airbnb. Look at this, look at the view. We are gonna get dinner later on, and probably gonna rest up the night as well, because we'll be hiking in the morning at like 1 AM. But yeah, look at this. So this is the original duck, traditional duck. This is like the bebek goreng, which is the crispy duck. Yeah. And we ordered some vegetables and some something. A good view. Hello. Can you see us? Can you see us?
Cannot, right?
It's 3 AM now, and we are going to do a Mount Batur hike. See you at the top! Just in time to catch the sunrise.
Yes. Have you tried? Not yet.
Can you smell?
This is last process. So the powder is ready, can use. You just take it.
Apa? Saya dapat
Yay! So we just finished our massage, and now we are here. Woo! Oh, so cute. Bebek, crispy duck again, and then you order roasted duck, and then some nasi goreng,
and then I have mee goreng.
Hello everyone! It's a new day. We just have a good rest after 8 hours of sleep. And now we're for lunch. It's a very big rice field. Wow. So this is the rice field, and usually it's flat lah, but they purposely made it like this. And there's a lot of tourist place to take photo actually, like the swing, there's a bridge here somewhere, and a lot of activities, and good place to visit. Highly recommended. We are going for water rafting! Yay! Are you guys excited? Have you guys tried this before?
Yes, my second time.
Yes, this is my second time.
My first time is in Thailand.
First?
First time.
First? Wow! Yes, ordered some cauliflower bites. morning, everybody. Today is our last day in Bali, and we are actually checking out of our Airbnb. Just gonna end the vlog here because our flight is at like 6 o'clock, and there's nothing much that we are doing lah. So thank you guys for watching, and I hope I have improved from my first vlog. Hope you guys like my video so far. Thank you for watching, and see you guys soon. Bye.